Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, my sister will be doing my nail art, and it's her first time doing my nails. So, I requested her to do the floating light scene from the Disney animation movie Tangled. So, this is what happened. First, she applied one layer of peel-off base coat on my natural nails. Then, after letting it to dry, she applied another. Now she is applying one coat of white nail polish. Then another layer of white nail polish. After my sister painted my nails with white, I did the cleanup. Then after letting it to dry, she's now dabbing a sponge onto my nail to do an ombre. And here are all of the ombres my sister made. Now I am applying top coat. Then after letting it to dry, she freehand painted everything. It was a bit difficult to film the rest, so I just filmed short clips for it. And here's the final look. What do you guys think? Should my sister do my nails often? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!